In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Outlook. If you want a simple way to draw attention to dates, action items, or important notes in an email, using color highlighting is quick, clear, and effective. I'll guide you from a clean start so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click on the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. Once Outlook loads and you're on the Mail view, you're ready to compose. Click on New Mail to open a fresh message window. Next, click in the message box, the large writing area where your email content goes. Type your email as you normally would. You can add recipients and a subject now or after you format your content. Both approaches work. To make your message easy to scan, keep your key points clear and concise. When you're ready to emphasize something, select the exact text you want to highlight. Click and drag over the words with your mouse, or hold Shift and use the arrow keys for precise selection. If you need to select a longer block quickly, you can select the paragraph and then fine-tune your selection as needed. Aim to highlight only what truly matters, so the emphasis remains meaningful. With the text selected, look at the formatting toolbar above the message box. This is the row with familiar options like bold, italic, underline, and font color. Click the highlighter tool. It looks like a marker or pencil icon with a color indicator. That opens the color panel. Here you can choose color. Pick a shade that contrasts well with your text so the words stay readable. Yellow is a classic, but softer pastels can be easier on the eyes. If you decide to remove a highlight later, open the same panel and choose no color to clear it. Outlook on the web uses rich formatting by default, so highlights will carry through for most recipients. A few quick tips as you finish up. Use highlighting sparingly so it draws attention without overwhelming the reader, and try to be consistent. For example, one color for deadlines and another for action items. Also, think about accessibility. Good contrast helps everyone, and concise highlighted phrases are easier to understand. That's all there is to it. You went to Google, searched for Outlook, opened the Outlook website, started a new message, clicked in the message box, typed your email, selected the text to emphasize, clicked the highlight icon, and chose your color. Practice it a couple of times, and it will feel effortless. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.